So it's morning, it's 7:30 or so. We are getting ready to head into Pearisburg in cold wet socks and cold wet clothes. So we're gonna get in town, see if we can tent at Angel's Rest, and then go from there. So keep you guys up to date.
Around him, but then he moved him with the snake, and it kind of ticked him off, and he coiled up and just hanging out watching. But then he started to slither away onto the right side of the road, but I guess he was coming back to the road less traveled. Yeah.
All right, so we made it to VA100. One Way and I cannot remember her name were here, and they just went to the MacArthur Inn in the Narrows. So I think we're gonna wait for Vader and Grizz we're all supposed to be going down to Angel's Rest. I did send them a text a minute ago just to make sure they got my registration, but whew, that was some serious downhill. And the last mile from Cross Avenue to here was pretty kind of sketchy in a couple spots. You're kind of just walking on a ledge in a couple parts of it, but glad to be in town, gonna get some rest and keep you guys up to date. All right, so end of the day recap. We have been at Angel's Rest for, I don't know, pretty long time. Went and ate Mexican, went to the Food Lion, went to the Outfitter, just ran around and hung out. There was a birthday party here tonight, so that was cool. Just been hanging out and relaxing, so we're going to hit the bed. And in the morning we're going, well actually in the afternoon we're gonna shuttle over to Dublin, and then we're gonna try to get over to Blacksburg to get Stumbleina some new shoes and hopefully some liner socks. So that's the plan, and then we'll hopefully be back on trail Wednesday morning, and we're gonna try to make it to Catawba instead of Daleville now. So keep you guys up to date. See you in the morning.